Okay, play.
Good afternoon, my dear brother and sister out there. Thank God that if you if you if you see this video, we want to show to you, we want to share to you the goodness and the greatness of our Lord Jesus Christ. We are the one, the empty vessel that Jesus Christ used us as His messenger in this place. As you see, this is the hinterland places here in Philippines, particularly in Mindanao Island. So it's a great day. This is Sunday, December 11, 2011. So I thank God together with my partner, Pastor Michael. By the way, I'm Pastor Jan from Christian Community Fellowship here in Philippines, and we need your backup prayers to us, brothers and sisters, that God will pour out His fulfillment graces unto these people. As you see, these hinterland places, this is the places where the less fortunate families are belonging to this place, and we're gathering, we're fellowshipping under the mango tree. As we see, and we look, we try to show to you the goodness and greatness of God as we video this place, the fellowship center where Pastor Michael and the sons and daughters of God were worshiping. Thank you so much, brother. This is an awesome, great, and a wonderful day.
Say hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Na ako ingon si Lili nga na ako